We are now going to check the 2-bedroom apartment. So let's go. Whoa. So this is the 2-bedroom apartment here in Seda, located in Cebu, Lahug, Barangay Apas. Kompleto ha. IT Park, Lahug. So apartment style siya, kita nyo. May living room. There, let there be light. And it has its own mini kitchen there. Oh, and there's a refrigerator.
Empty.
It's empty. Let's check again. Maybe my... Okay. It's not opening. There. So it's empty. So it's like an apartment or a condominium type, no? You have here some microwave, oven, and the sink, the kitchen. So I believe you can cook here. Can you? I think. So there's the sink and the kitchen and a range hood. Oh, so the exhaust. Let's see if may pangluto sila dito. Let's check. Oh, so nice spoon and fork. Oh, nice plates and cups. Last. Oh, see? May rice cooker, of course. And frying pan. And some strainer. Oh. So, pwede magluto ng rice and cook some food here. So, we are now going to check the rooms. Let's go. So, this is the first room. First bedroom. So, dalawang beds. I think single bed lang to. Dalawang single bed. This is the first bedroom. And... what do we have here? The cabinet. There's a cabinet. And of course, there's a TV. There. So, let's check kung anong view dito. Ayan, may view. Let's check the view. So, we are on the 16th floor. Oh, kita nyo dito ang IT Park. Kita nyo ang The Walk and the Skyrise. So if you are not familiar, IT Park is like the IT hub of Cebu. All of mga call centers, BPOs, mga companies are here in IT Park. There. And of course, may mall din dito. This is the newest mall in Cebu. Yung bagong Ayala. It's here. And you will see also mga food. There are mga The Walk, like The Walk. May mga pagkain dyan, restaurants. And down there, another mga kainan din dyan. So mamaya let's see kung ano yung pwede nating puntahan dito. And that's the view of the first bedroom. So we are now going to the second bedroom. Let's go! So, let's check the second bedroom. There. So, kita nyo, ito yung ating living room. And yung kitchen. And then, yung first bedroom. Then, over there is the second bedroom. So, let's go. Let's check it out. So, ayan ang living room. And may TV din yung living room, of course. And, ayan na yung ating second bedroom. There. So, isang bedroom lang siya, but this is like king size. King size bed. There. So, pwede ito pang honeymooners na room. Yan. And of course, may view din siya. Let's check. Very quick kung ano yung view niya. Similar lang dun sa view natin kanina. Skyrise 3, The Walk, and some food food place. I forgot the name. Like Garden Block. Not so sure. Anyway, let's check that out later. So this is like the master's bedroom, I think. Mas bigger siya dun sa first bedroom. There, kita nyo. And I believe it has its own CR there. So itong room na ito, this is the master's. May CR siya. It has its own CR. There, you can see me. And dun sa labas, mamaya papakita ko yung mas maliit na CR. Yan. Let's check it out later. So ito yung CR nila. Kita nyo. Decent. There, my shower. And yung lavatory. There. Kita nyo. And what else is here? Ayun, may weighing scale. Weighing scale, baka mapadami kasi tayo sa kain mamaya. So, yan, may weighing scale. And of course, yung mga freebies. Andyan, mga lotion, soap, shampoo, and mga dental kit. You can find it here. And of course, the King's Throne. Standard CR. And the King's Throne. So, there. So, I believe may isa pa tayong hindi nakikita, yung isa pang maliit na CR. Let's check it out. And so far ayos. Ayos tong setup dito. Especially if like barkada kayo or family. I think this is a good setup. Kita nyo yung kitchen kanina. You can actually cook. You can prepare rice, diba? You can cook some food. So, I believe na pwede ito if you are in a group or a family. So that at least tipid kayo, di ba? Tipid kayo sa inyong pagkain. But if ayaw nyo namang magluto, there are a lot of mga food choices sa baba. Dito kasi sa IT Park. It's a very lively place dito. May Cebu Mercado and there are a lot of restaurants you can find here in IT Park. So you will not have a problem with food. And of course, may mall din nga dito. Ayala Bloc. Central Block, yun, that's the name. So let's go, let's check. So let's check the second, yung last but not the least, yung maliit na CR. Let's go. So ito na, last but not the least, yung, it's like a common CR. It's, sa living room and you will see, I'll show it to you. So, katabi ng first room na chinek natin kanina, ayan na yung CR nandito sa labas. There, let's check it. Ayan. So, medyo mas maliit na CR compared dun sa masters na CR na chinek natin kanina. But, ganun din. There's the lavatory and of course, yung mga freebies nandyan. And ano pa ba? I think that's it. So that ends our short video room tour here in Seda Block. So this is a new hotel. This is a new mall here in Cebu. I think mga 2 years to 3 years pa tong hotel na to, tsaka yung mall dito. Ayala Central Block. So if you are in IT Park and if you are looking for a hotel that yun nga yung nabagitan kanina, you can cook and you are near everything. Actually dito sa IT Park madami kayong pwedeng puntahan dito. You are near sa mga malls and mga establishments and mga banks if you're looking for banks. And ano pa ba yung nandito, yung Cebu Mercado, very famous, nandito yun sa IT Park. If you are into yung gusto nyo masubukan yung mga Cebu food, definitely subukan nyo dun sa Cebu Mercado. So yun lang yung video natin for today. My name again is Peejay. Sa mga hindi pa pala nakapag-subscribe, subscribe kayo, hit the like button, comment down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time.